What's going on, guys? It's a new day and we're back working on the project. So if you saw the last video, we got it started, sorta. I'll play a clip in right here. But yeah, it wasn't running super good. I was missing the part that goes from the intake, like the air box, to the carburetors. It's too hard to see, so I got those in today. Here are those pieces. This is what they look like. I actually got these from the old owner of the bike. When I bought it from him, he said that he had it running, and I thought, well, you must have had these if it were running, or that was my assumption. And luckily he did, and he dropped them off for me, which I am very happy about. So now I don't have to find those because they're very hard to find. Most of the parts I've been buying off of like eBay and Amazon. So first things first, we're gonna take the tank off. We're gonna try and fitting those rubber pieces on. And while we're at it, I want to check out the air box. It's supposed to sit right under here. Just want to check the filter, see how that's going, and then we'll cut back after that. Alright, let me give you the progress so far. I've taken off the carbs. I've taken off the fuel filter that we put on. It was too long and it was causing the hose to like bend up here, and we need it to bend down here. Because if the hose is too high, then the gas won't run through it, because this is gravity fed. So I tried fitting it closer to in here, but it's just too wide. It wouldn't fit in the gap, so I got no choice just to run the line by itself. It is recommended to use a fuel filter though on bikes, but I just can't get it to fit, so gonna be without it. Next we're gonna tune the idle a little bit, which could be with this thing, and on the bottom I'm gonna adjust the pilot screws. Oh shit. I'm gonna adjust the pilot screws a bit. I had them at 2 turns out at first. I'm gonna try turning it another turn to make it 2.5, and then we'll put them back on and continue. Alright guys, I'm having a bit of difficulty putting the carburetors on, and I thought maybe I could loosen the brackets around the airbox, and I decided just to check out the airbox. So here's the cover for it. I took it off, and you got to look at this. Should always check the airbox on a bike or a car that's been sitting. Look. Guys, look at this. It's something made like a nest in here. It is gross. And it kind of smells too. So, guess I'll clean this out. And on this bike, there's also like these side boxes right here, which air goes in. So I should probably check those too. Disgusting. Guys, I've taken off one of the side covers and just look at it. I think this is where this thing was burrowing. Just nasty. Ugh. This is why it's important to check your airbox. You never know. Guys, we finally got the carbs on with all the ducting in place, and it's in there for the final permanent time. Like, I ain't taking this out again, I swear to God, if I have to. It's all in. Should be good. For this first few startups, I'm gonna be testing without the gas tank. I'm just gonna use this water bottle. It's dried up. There's no water in it. I'm gonna fill it with fuel and just put it on here so that I can tune this thing properly without the tank getting in the way. Airbox is clean. I have a used filter. When I was buying parts for this bike, I found a guy selling a bunch of stuff he just had, and he was selling this with it, just like as a bundle, and I just took it just cause, and it's in a lot better shape than the original one was, so I'm going to be using this. I would recommend using a new one, but this is a budget build, right? It's a little dirty, but it should work just fine. So yeah, now we're gonna close up the airbox, put on the water bottle for fuel, and we're gonna try doing an oil change next. That's actually the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, consider subscribing, and bye bye.